So, good day guys, I'm gonna make chicken and soup right here, chicken and soup. So there are the instructions, see, see, but I don't like the water to be boiled. Amke's kitchen. So right here, open it like this, into half, and take one bag out, take the other one, and then put them in there as well. So there it goes, 2 bags are inside, right here, Amke's kitchen, chicken and soup guys. So we're just waiting for the water to come hot, not too hot, I don't like it to be boiled, do you understand? I have to clean up my oven, you see? I have to clean it up, right here. This is the potato, carrot, onion, and garden peas, and the meat, chicken meat. So I cooked it last night. And this is stew in Bosnia. So right here, a little bit longer, just wait. Be patient. So right here. Beautiful. And then put it in there. That much. Beautiful Amke. Amke's kitchen. And then take the fork, put it like this, and leave it for 3 minutes, but I'll leave it for 4-5 minutes. So right here guys, let's have a look. Right here, that looks amazing. So right here, looks good. I'll leave it a bit longer. So just leave it like this for maybe 1 minute. So right here guys, that looks beautiful. So now take this paper off, and then stir it through like this, not nice and easy. So stir it, nice and easy guys. Amke's kitchen, chicken and soup guys. Thank you guys for watching, see you later.